picked up this ThermoPro Edge meat thermometer to replace our other ThermoPro. Really like this one. This one was quite good, except we ended up breaking it by accident, so we kind of forced it and now it doesn't stay locked into place. But it was really good. It still technically works, but pick this up. Now I want to see what's inside here. So what it kind of comes with here. Customer support card. Instruction card, excellent. And we've got, oh, it comes with batteries, that's nice. Oh, very good. See, it's got some magnets on the back, so it can actually attach to something. Oh, and here we go. Oh, you see that? Here, look at this. So fast. Nice and sturdy. Okay, so the on-off button, I'm assuming you just hold it for a second. Yep, on-off button works great. This is, of course, oh, let's pop this out. This is your lock button. This also, if you're pressing and holding this, switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Just holding it, it's like 3 seconds or something like that. And then your lock button, I mean, that's pretty handy if you're like reaching in a hot oven or a barbecue and you stick it in the meat, then you can actually hit lock and it'll actually lock the temperature at that. So you can pull it out and you can check what it is without it changing on you as soon as it comes out. Because if you stick it in the meat, the inside of the meat's going to be cooler than the outside of the barbecue, right? So you hit the lock button, pull it out, and then the temperature doesn't change on you while you check it from the hot oven or hot barbecue. Yeah, this is really good. I'm really looking forward to putting this to some use. Just poked myself a couple times with it, but it's going to be great. Super looking forward to this. I'm going to get grilling.